Okay, guys, we're gonna start with this mojito stuff. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the lemon. Okay, I'm gonna cut the lemon, and let's get it going. I'm gonna cut them in pieces like this. One, two. Out of one lemon, I could make 4 pieces. I'm gonna cut another one and put it right here so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm doing, guys. This is what I'm doing. So we're taking care of business right here. And then I'm gonna cut this one in slices. Okay, and put this in the side. Small slices. There you have it. 1, 2, 3. Be careful you don't cut yourself. Put it in the side. Pour those lemon in the side. Right here. Okay. This is my lemon already cut. What I'm gonna do next is, got my blender over here. Got my passion fruit. You see right there. Passion fruit. Gonna open it up. There's some passion fruit in there. I think that's good. We don't need that much. Then we're gonna go with we're gonna use the Perio water. Everybody made this stuff differently. This is the way I do it. Okay. This is my Perio water right here. I'm gonna add some water over here. Not that much. That's good. A little bit more. That's good. Perio water is done. I'm gonna cover it up. And I'm gonna put it in my blender right here. Okay, it's done. I got my passion fruit over here. Put it in the side. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna get a few cups. I got my mint. Got my mint right here. If you can see it, let me put it like this. Okay, I'm gonna get a few cups. I'm gonna put it in, and you're gonna see what I'm doing. Okay, guys. Now what I'm gonna do is I got my mint over here. Got a 1, 2, 3, for like 5 pieces of mint. Not that many. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna get some sugar. Right? I'm gonna get. It's depends how you like it. I'm gonna put just 1 cup of sugar. I'm gonna get a lemon right there. I'm gonna go like this for now. Put it in there. Then with since I don't have the toolkit to do it, I'm gonna do it with a knife. Just be careful you don't cut yourself. I'm gonna start bouncing this. That's the way it looks inside. It's the weird thing. It's the weird way to make mojitos, but I don't have the tool to prepare it. So I'm using whatever I got in my hands right now. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some ice. Some ice. Then I'm gonna add some passion fruit, the juice, because this mojito is made of passion fruit. Oh. Smell good. Then I'm gonna add my Bacardi Superior. It depends how you like it. If you don't like it too strong, don't make it too strong. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more of sparkling mineral water. And then, since I don't have the tool, like I said, I'm gonna use this like this. Check it out, guys. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a few of those mint. Got it right here. And like this, so it could eliminate the flour. Let's do it again. Then you're gonna go over here. And you're gonna put a lemon. There you have it, guys. That's the passion fruit. It's the way it looks. What le pasa? It's another mojito, guys. Another mojito. There you have it. Omar Devilar todo, Best in Production.